You won't want to miss this beautiful home in Chandler's Landing. Entering the large living room, your eye will be drawn to the gas fireplace. Imagine spending the cold winter nights curled up by the warm glow of the fire. The open floor plan welcomes you with open arms as you move into the eat-in kitchen, featuring a separate dining area. The kitchen was recently updated and has gorgeous cabinetry with an abundance of space for cooking and storage. After dinner is cleaned up, escape to the spacious living room where the openness is amplified by the vaulted ceilings. This home features 3 nice-sized bedrooms, and the ensuite bath boasts double sinks and a walk-in shower. Off the main bedroom is a separate spacious sitting room, which features beautiful natural wood walls. The sitting room also conveniently opens up to the kitchen. The second bedroom is currently being used as an office, and space will not be an issue as the bedrooms have large closets. And the newly added laundry room, featuring a large mud sink, also offers plenty of room to hang clothes and opens to the 3-car garage. When spring rolls around, spend sunny days on the back patio, enjoying your yard full of mature trees and shade. This home is full of great features that are ready for you to come and love. Contact Zelda Myers and learn more.